All right, so in this video, we're going to continue talking about decimals. Now, not all decimals are rational. The decimal that we saw in the last video was rational, and I'm going to talk to you about two ways that you know whether a decimal is rational. Okay, so there are two ways that a decimal can be rational. The first way that a decimal can be rational is if it terminates, meaning it ends, like 0.6, 0.5, 0.187. Do you see that these end? They don't go on forever. So if a decimal ends at some point, even if it goes on for like 10 digits, if it does end eventually, that means it terminates. And if it terminates, that means it is a rational number. The other way that a decimal could be rational is it might go on forever. If a decimal goes on forever, the only way it can still be rational is if it repeats. So if it goes on forever, if it at least repeats over and over and over again, then it is also rational. So do you see that 0.45454545 on for infinity? See, it doesn't end. That's what these ellipses dots mean here. It doesn't end, it does not terminate, but it does repeat. So if you can see a pattern that repeats, then it is also rational, okay? It is not rational. A decimal is not rational if it goes on forever, but doesn't repeat. So 1, 2, 8, 6, 5, 1, 4, 3. I am not repeating anything here. I'm putting dots on to show that it goes on forever, but there is no pattern in here. Therefore, this is not a rational decimal. So some decimals are rational and some decimals are not rational. If it is rational, it needs to satisfy one of these two options. Either it ends, it terminates, or if it does go on forever, it at least repeats. Okay?